and dedication, we are proud to award them with proficiency prizes. I now request our esteemed chief guest, Ms. Sindhu Prabhu Desai Nayak, to kindly honor our academic achievers.
We have amongst us of our love and gratitude to our dear judge their time and lending their expertise to judge today's March Past.
Mrs. Sindhu Prabhu Desai Naik. On the occasion of our annual sports day, where we celebrate discipline, perseverance, teamwork, and the spirit of healthy competition, we are truly honored to have such a distinguished and inspiring leader in our midst.
I now invite Teacher Astrid to introduce our chief guest to all present at today's sports meet.
अनोखे और बर्फीले स्थान के बारे में जानेंगे अंटार्कटिका। The largest continent with no human population and no countries, the most coldest, windiest and driest continent, a home to creatures like seals, whales and penguins like us. तर तयार झाल्यात ह्या जमलेल्या देशातल्या प्राण्याचं म्हणल्यारच पेंग्विनाचा नाच पळोवपाक.
Single number 2 right.
Harus mana tinggal yuk.
Challenge match. Rosman Cruz, Nagwa, Baroda. Challenge match. Rosman Cruz, Nagwa, आणि Patagnello Sports and
Marita, Kaku Putata, that you are mocha, Mama Tapiasa, Ketrata Marita, Harwa Kudraha, Tomata Pica, Tomata Peas, Tomata Pica, Tomata Peas, Tomata Pica.
continent. It is composed of 12 countries. South America ह्या महाद्वीपातलो गियाना हो एकूच असो देश जो इंग्लिश भाषा वापरता. त्या देशाक जायती उदकाची जमीन म्हूण वळखता. राष्ट्रीय नारा एक लोग एक राष्ट्र एक लक्ष्य बताता है कि हमारे देश के लोग कितने सुंदर और अलग अलग दूसरे संस्कृतियों को अपनाने के लिए प्रेरित second largest continent on the planet. There are 54 countries in Africa. प्रत्येक क्षेत्र और जनजाति की अपनी अनोखी नृत्य शैली होती है जो उनकी इतिहास और पारंपरिक नृत्य उनकी कहानियों को दर्शाती है. आफ्रिकन खंडातल्या पारंपरिक नाचाचो वापर सुवाळो करपाक, काणयो सांगपाक, सगळ्या समाजाक एकठांय हाडपाक करतात.
We also have amongst us ex-teachers of our school. We extend all our ex-teachers a very warm welcome. Your kind attention, everyone. The PTA of our school has organized a canteen for today's sports meet with a variety of refreshments and snacks for everyone to enjoy. The canteen is just at the entrance to this ground. Available at the canteen are coffee at ₹15, corn at ₹30, samosa at
The world's largest and most populous continent, covering about 30% of Earth's land area and home to over half of its population. It is the birthplace of many major religions and ancient civilizations. इसे अक्सर त्योहारों, शादियों और अन्य समारोहों के दौरान किया जाता है जिससे सौभाग्य और समृद्धि आती है. यह नृत्य पारंपरिक तकनीकों और आंदोलनों को संरक्षित करते हुए पीढ़ियों से चला आ रहा है. तीन हात पाक्याचो नाच हो शास्त्रीय नाच. या नाचाचे पारंपरिक रूप चीनींतल्यान जल्माक आयला. हात पाके ह्या सोबीत नाचाचे खाशेलेपण.
Is a large island country known for its outback life and joyful folk dances like the heel and toe bush dance.
हील एंड टो बुश डांस ऑस्ट्रेलिया का एक पारंपरिक नृत्य है जिसे समूह में खुशी और ताल के साथ किया जाता है.
हो बुश नाच ऑस्ट्रेलियन शेतकारी आणि गावांतल्या लोकांनी सादर केल्लो उत्सवाचो नाच अशें
ताच्या गिरेस्त इतिहासा खातीर आनी विंगड संस्कृताये खातीर वळखतात।
उनके पारंपरिक लोक नृत्य ऊर्जावान कदमों और क्षेत्रीय शैलियों के माध्यम से समुदाय उत्सव और विरासत पर जोर देते हैं।
We are performing the Croatian dance kolo, in which the dancers hold and link their arms, forming a circle symbolizing unity and joy.
सगळ्यांनी हावजी काढल्यामुळे
God created the heavens and the earth. God created everything with a purpose and in perfect harmony. God created sun, moon, plant, flower, and animals, and all the peoples on earth. To thank God for His wonderful creation, we must take care of it every day and preserve it. हे सुंदर रचनेचो खातीर आमी देवाक दिलवासो घ्या, जाय आमी सदांच ताची राखण करूंक जाय तर पळोवया आतां आमचो हो रचनेचो देखावो.
Please come forward to receive your prizes.
And Master Halston Vegas. The Proficiency Prize for Standard 1 goes to Miss Aditi Rajbar and Standard 2. Gonzalez. And Master Angelo Fernandez.
Joshua Isa Rodriguez. And the second who can captioned the Goa football team at the Sub-Junior Girls National Football Championship in Chhattisgarh. To encourage her passion and commitment to the sport, a well-wisher wish her many more victories ahead.
Record used to be very good. I was the topper of the class. The scorecard was very impressive. But believe me, friends, till date, nobody has asked me my marks or the grades. The reason I'm here today is because of the values that I have, the morals that I have taken, and the skills that I have imbibed. When I talk about the morals or the values, I mean the morals, the values that my teachers gave me, the values, the morals that my parents taught me, the values that I have taken from my peers. When I talk about the morals of the values, I'm a die-hard fan of the greatest entrepreneur of our country, Sir Mukesh Ambani. He was addressing convocation ceremony. He was talking to college students, and while addressing during the gathering, he said, "Though I have revolutionized the 4G and 5G culture in our country, the most three important G's in our life are Mataji, Pitaji and Guruji." I hope all of you understand Hindi. So Mataji, God could not be everywhere, so he created beautiful mothers. Mothers could not be everywhere, so he created wonderful teachers, Guruji. And Pitaji, I can see here, many fathers have gathered to see the performances, to see their children being awarded here, to see their children being performed. They are the silent providers who work always behind the curtains. So yes, we should always cherish the values, the morals that we have taken from our mother, our father, our teachers, our peers. When I talk about the skills, earlier times we had those conventional skills, reading, writing, listening and speaking. The skills that are very important these days are the technical skills, the 21st century skills that we call it. We have done so much advancement in artificial intelligence and prompt engineering, STEM knowledge and things like that. Last year I was at the Cambridge University of UK. I did my fellowship for 6 months there, one of the topmost universities of the world, and when I went there I realized I've done around 37 courses in artificial intelligence, but I went there, I came to know that while we are doing this, while we are advancing in these stages, people are doing research on the merits and demerits of artificial intelligence.